Today's video is a little bit different and a little bit sad for me because I've made the decision and I'm selling my SVR. No. And the only reason I'm selling it is I need the money. This car has been an absolute dream. 5 litre supercharged V8, 624 horsepower, all-wheel drive and one of the best sounding exhaust notes in the business. It's a car that turns every drive into an event. So why am I selling the car? Well, honestly, it's all down to money.
Show me the money.
I've done just about everything I wanted to do with this car and it's tying up a lot of my money that I could actually use to buy some more cars and do some better videos on YouTube for you guys. But let's not make this too sad, because whoever buys this car is getting one seriously special machine. The SVR is not just another F-Type, it's the ultimate version. 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds and handling that makes every twisty road feel alive. But my journey with amazing cars does not end there, because I've got my eyes on something which is a lot cheaper than this, but actually is in the supercar league, and you can buy this car today for 25% of its original value. We'll see that later in the video if you keep watching. If you've been following my channel, you know that I don't just own cars, I live them. But I've loved every second in this SVR, but it's time for it to go to a new owner and let someone else have the amazing fun that I've had in this car. So that's my update. My Jaguar SVR is officially up for sale. If you're interested in this car, check out the link below where I've linked to the garage that are actually selling this for me. There she goes then, guys. Let's wave bye-bye to the SVR for the last time. A little bit of sadness, a little bit of tear, but move on and move up. But now let me tell you what I have fallen in love with. It's a £100,000 supercar. It's got butterfly doors, futuristic looks, turbocharged and a 1.5 litre engine from a Mini. So I needed something to fill this gap on my driveway and I chose this. This is a 2017 BMW i8 in Sophisto Grey Brilliant Metallic. Let me show you what I had to go through to get this on my drive. Firstly, I had to walk to the bus stop and then jump on the bus. To get to the train station and then jump in on the train. To get to King's Cross Station and then jump on the underground. To get me to Liverpool Street Station, which brings me to Colchester Station, where I jump in an Uber to take me to the final destination. To eventually arrive in the pouring rain to pick up my new BMW i8. So why did I choose the i8? Well, I absolutely love technology, and this car has oodles of that. It's also beautiful and one of the best looking sports cars on the market today. Oh, also, the price of one of these has dropped to almost 30% of the manufacturer's retail price from new. This car was £106,000 when new, plus options. And I've got thousands of pounds worth of options on this car. So I reckon this car is about £110,000 from new. And I paid less than a third of that price to own this car. Today I want to take a look at what makes this car a technological masterpiece. Because this isn't just a car, it's a rolling showcase of what BMW thought the future of motoring would look like. And honestly, years after its launch, it still feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. At the heart of the i8 is one of the cleverest hybrid systems ever fitted to a sports car. Up front, you've got a 129 brake horsepower electric motor driving the front wheels, and at the back, a 228 brake horsepower, 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbo engine powering the rears, giving a combined power of 357 brake horse and 420 foot-pound of torque. Together, they give you supercar-like performance, 0 to 60 in under 4.4 seconds, but with the efficiency of a small hatchback. The two systems can work separately or together, and the transition between electric and petrol power is almost seamless. In electric only mode, you can cruise silently for around 15 miles, ideal for city driving. Then when you hit the open road, that petrol engine wakes up and gives you that proper BMW growl. The i8 structure is built around a carbon fibre reinforced plastic tub, something normally only found in supercars like McLarens or Lamborghinis. This makes the car incredibly rigid and light, around 1500 kilograms in total, even with all the hybrid hardware. That's a big part of why the i8 feels so agile and planted, even though it's got batteries and electric motors on board. Every single curve and vent on the i8 serves a purpose. Those floating panels at the back, they're not just for looks, they channel air through the body, reducing drag and increasing stability. It's one of those cars where the styling isn't just futuristic, it's functional. The end result is a drag coefficient of just 0.26, which helps improve efficiency and range. One of the options when buying is to spec laser headlights. Fortunately, my car doesn't have them. This was one of the first cars in the world to have laser headlights as an option. They give you almost double the range of normal LEDs, about 600 meters of visibility, and they adjust automatically to avoid dazzling other drivers. Inside the i8, you've got fully digital cockpit, heads-up display and BMW's iDrive system, all built around the driver. Even the materials used inside are eco-friendly, recycled plastics, natural fibres and leather tanned using olive leaf extract. It's futuristic, but still unmistakably BMW. The i8's energy management system is seriously clever. It constantly balances between the petrol engine, electric motor and battery to get the best performance and efficiency. When you're braking or coasting, the car recovers energy. It's basically charging itself as you drive. And if you select sport mode, the petrol engine kicks in to help recharge the battery faster. It's like the car is thinking ahead for you. Even though BMW stopped building the i8 in 2020, it is still one of the most advanced cars you can buy for the money today. It was ahead of its time, a plug-in hybrid car that sounded like a supercar but sipped fuel like a daily town runabout. It's proof that innovation doesn't always mean compromise. Sometimes it's the best of both worlds. So I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the BMW i8 tech. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video because it all helps with the analytics. Till the next time, stay safe.